So have you guys sent out a referral request on LinkedIn but not gotten a response? This method targets the psychology of the recipient. Using these four major points that I'm going to discuss, you're very likely to increase your chances of getting a response for a referral. Alright, let's see. Might be a bit of a paradox, but do not immediately ask for a referral. Especially if you do not know that person, it's better not to ask for a referral. So what do you ask? Ask for their advice. Alright? People love to give advice. Okay, I mean, that's why I'm making the video anyway, right? Whenever you're talking to them or writing out to them, use their first name as much as possible. If you have ever read the book How to Make Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie, one of the points he mentions is to use their first name as much as possible. There is no word sweeter than their name in their own minds, alright? Next, step 4 is you politely request for their time and do not ask more than 15 to 20 minutes. This is called an informational interview. You go to them and you request them, I have a certain set of questions I want to ask about this particular role I'm looking for. Can you please provide me the information regarding the role? The target of this referral should be someone in the team or in an adjacent team or in a similar vertical or in a similar position. You do not question this to a recruiter. If you can find a hiring manager, well and good. If not, that's perfectly alright. So next point is when they agree, have a certain set of decent questions prepared and ask them. Right? Ask them about the company culture, ask them about the role, what tools they use, what kind of environment it is, anything, right? I'm not going to go through the questions right now. And just to demonstrate this with an example, I'm going to show you that on the screen you can see a picture, a screenshot that I have used. So here I've written that hi XYZ. Thank you for accepting my request. I'm reaching out because I'm applying for a data scientist. That's a BMS. BMS stands for Bristol Myers Squibb. And I would like to know your thoughts about this particular role and have some questions. Do you have 15 minutes to spare? So you see, I've used their name, I have asked for their advice, and I have not asked for a referral here. Then he says, yeah, sure, I can help. And he agreed to my call. We chatted for roughly almost 40 minutes. I think increases your chances a bit. Obviously, there will be a person who will not be responding. You cannot do anything about that. But knowing these and following these tips are very likely going to increase your chances. If you watched till the end, guys, thanks a lot for watching it through and supporting me. This helps out a lot. And I really hope the tip works for you. Follow the tips. It has definitely worked for me. It should work for you as well. Thanks and have a nice time. Bye-bye.